All right, we're going to go ahead and take a look at finding the number of terms in a geometric sequence. If n is missing, basically. So it tells me that it's a geometric sequence, so I'm going to go ahead and write the formula and just kind of observe what I need. If I'm going to look for n, then I need this to be an actual number. I need this to be filled in, and I need this to be filled in. So I'm going to need everything, all three of those filled in, and so that I can solve this thing, so that I can leave just the n as the unknown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this, obviously, a sub n. It's the whateverth term. So that's going to be 294912. That's that. Well, this is a sub 1. That's easy. Oops. That's going to be times. Now, what is my common ratio? What's happening each time? Looks like it's multiplying by 2. That's pretty simple to figure out. So I'm going to multiply that by 2, and then I'm going to have to the n minus 1. Now, the tendency is for people to want to multiply the 9 and the 2. You cannot do that. The reason we can't do that is PEMDAS tells me that I must use the exponent before I multiply. And so I can't multiply the 9 and the 2. What I can do is I can peel away at all the little pieces that are getting in the way of my finding the n. So I'm going to divide first by 9. So when I divide by 9, here's what I get. 32,768. So 32,768. Okay. Now I'm down to just 2 to the n minus 1. Now I'd rather not use logs. If I can get the bases to match, then I don't need to use logs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try figuring out how many times do I need to raise, to what power do I need to raise a 2. Let me see if I can get that to turn into a 2 to some power. So I get, exponential things get large very quickly. So we don't have to do a lot of guessing and checking to find that 2 to the 15th power is 32,768. So then I'm going to go ahead and write that equal to 2 to the n minus 1. Well, if the bases match, just intuition, even if you don't even have a whole lot of math knowledge about these, intuition tells me that that has to equal this. So plus 1, n has to be 16. Okay? All right. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.